All right, we have another vocabulary assignment. Pretty straightforward. I'll just walk you through some of the highlights again, but this is not like crazy new information than any other vocabulary assignment you've done. But if you want to know the word, hang in there. I'll try and make it not too long, I promise. So, one of the main things, make sure you're capitalizing the first letter of your sentence. Make sure you're including punctuation. So, write a good sentence. All of the words are in those two stories from Our Changing Constitution, either The Conflict of the Constitution or Passing an Amendment. There's a link here if you want to go to it. There's a link here because you want to make sure you have the right definition that goes with the sentence in the story. Now notice there's 4 that you have to do, must do. There's 3 that you should do, but you don't have to. Your definition, remember, you can write from Google, that is fine. But your sentence needs to be original. You cannot just take the sentence off of Google, okay? So do make sure to come up with your original one. These are some more sort of social studies specific words, a lot of them, not all of them, but a lot of them are. So good to help you learn, and it'll help you going forward in social studies especially, but in other areas as well. I think that's it. Like I said, it's pretty straightforward. You can either use context clues in the story, you can look up the words is fine, use what you might know, different ways to figure out the definition. The code word today is awesome. 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 Make sure you write your very best sentences, capitalization, punctuation, all that good stuff. All right. Good luck. You got it.